Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
Hi, friend. Welcome back. Have you ever walked out of the supermarket, checked your receipt, and thought, how did I spend so much on just food? You're not alone. Today, let's listen to Tom and me and discover how one small change in the way you shop can save you hundreds of dollars every month. Stay with me until the end, because these tips might just change the way you shop forever. Let's go.
CC, yesterday I paid my credit card bill. My groceries cost me $600.
600? Just for food?
Yeah, only food. Can you believe it?
That's a lot. I spent about 300 last month.
Wait, half of mine? Are you serious?
Yes, really.
How? Do you eat less? Do you skip meals?
No, I eat normally. The difference is I plan before I shop.
Plan? Come on, CC. It's just buying food.
That's what you think. If you shop without a plan, you always spend more.
Okay then, tell me. What do you do that I don't?
First, I check the flyer.
Flyer? What's that?
The paper in your mailbox. It shows pictures, prices, discounts.
Oh, like an advertisement.
Yes, but useful. It tells you what's on sale.
Wait, everything is for sale.
Careful. For sale means available. On sale means cheaper, special price.
Ah, I get it. On sale is discount. For sale is just normal. But I get flyers from Walmart, Costco, many stores. What do you do with all of them?
I compare. Chicken here is $10, chicken there is $7. Compare and choose the cheaper one.
So it's like making two prices fight, and the winner goes into my basket.
Exactly. But remember, don't drive to every store.
Why not? Cheap is good, right?
Not always. Think about gas and time. You save $2 on chicken but spend $5 on gas. That's not saving. That's losing.
Oh, so I must look at the overall cost. Gas, time, everything together.
Perfect.
Hey, what about this? Regular price, $5.99. Member price, $3.99.
That's simple. If you are a member, you pay the lower price.
Member? Do I need to pay money to join?
No, membership is free. Just sign up with your phone number.
So the same bread is $5.99 for me, but $3.99 for you?
Exactly.
Oh no, that hurts. From now on, I want the member price too. Look at this salad box. It looks healthy.
That's $7. But if you buy lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, the same salad is only $3.
Really? Why so expensive?
One word: convenience. Convenience means easy, ready to eat. But convenience costs money.
So I pay extra because someone cut the vegetables for me.
Exactly. If you buy raw, it's cheaper.
And this bread here, only $1. Is it safe?
That's clearance. Look at the date. Best before the 10th of June.
Does best before mean expired?
No. Expired means not safe. Best before means safe, just maybe less fresh.
Oh, I see. So clearance is okay if I eat it today or tomorrow.
Right.
Time to pay. Wait, what did you just scan?
My member card. It gives me cheaper prices and points.
Points?
Yes. Every time I shop, I get points. Later, I redeem them like money.
That's amazing. And now you're using your credit card?
Yes, because it gives me cash back.
Cashback?
The bank gives me money back, maybe 2% of my groceries.
Oh no. So you save with flyers, with member price, with points, and with cashback too?
Exactly. Save now, save later. That's smart shopping.
Okay, you win. From now on, you are my shopping teacher.
Great job following the conversation. Now, let's slow down and learn the key vocabulary and sentence patterns you can use in your own daily English. Flyer, meaning a small paper with information about sales or discounts. On sale, meaning being sold at a lower price than usual. For sale, meaning available to buy. Compare, meaning look at two or more things to see which is better or cheaper. Overall cost, meaning the total money including all things like price, gas, and time. Member price, meaning the cheaper price for people who join a store membership. Convenience, meaning something that is easy for you, but usually costs more. Raw, meaning not cooked or prepared. Clearance, meaning products sold quickly, usually because the date is close. Best before, meaning the product is best quality before that date, but still safe after. Expired, meaning not safe to eat or use after a certain date. Points, meaning rewards you collect when you shop, later used like money. Redeem, meaning to exchange points for products or discounts. Cashback, meaning money returned to you when you use a special credit card. Can you believe it? Meaning, this is used when you are surprised or shocked about something, and you want the listener to share your feeling. That's not saving, that's losing. Meaning, this pattern emphasizes contrast. You show that something looks good, but actually it is bad. So it's like, meaning, this is used when you want to compare something to another idea in a simple way. From now on, I want meaning. This is used to express a decision you make for the future. That's the difference. That's smart shopping. Meaning, A short statement to conclude an explanation, showing understanding or agreement. Thank you for listening to the story today. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. I've created a free PDF with new words and sentence patterns from today's story, along with easy examples. It will help you learn more easily and more quickly. Also, just click the link in the description to download your free PDF gift. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.